What's up guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. I get the comment a few times asking me, well, not on YouTube, but I get the comment on my Instagram, like a DM on Instagram, asking me how I take my pictures. And me and Joey are actually linking up today to take pictures, so I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, because me and Joey are the majority of the time the people that take the pictures for my Instagram. So I figured since we're taking pictures today, some people want to see me do it, I figured I'd bring you along for the ride. And I am going to be doing a Supreme unboxing somewhere in this. I don't know where I'm going to do it, but I only got 2 items, didn't really want to make it its own video, so I figured I'd just throw it into this video. Is Joey pulling up on me right now? But I did just realize this now. I couldn't bring my other camera, so I'm gonna have to do like the little behind the scenes stuff on my phone. And I also forgot my microphone, so we have to use the internal audio, and I really hope it doesn't sound that bad. So please bear with me, but let's just get right into this. Let's check Joey real quick. He's on the phone, but let's fit check him. Those Vans, crispy, pants, crispy, shirt, flip and dip that shirt. Favorite shirt of the season, guys. Favorite shirt of the season. Hopefully you can see me right now because I don't have any way to see myself, so I really hope you guys can see me right now. Like I said, we're gonna do the unboxing right now. Figured this would be a perfect time. I got you on top of the car, and I only got 2 items, so I really didn't want to just make its own video on it because I'm trying to like throw it on in there. But yes, this is week 3, I think it is. Week 3, yeah? Was this week 3? Yeah, week 3, because this was the week 4. I didn't get too much heat. I don't remember what I got. I think, yeah, like I said, it's like 2 things that are up in here. Joey did get some stickers though, so hopefully I got some stickers. So first of all, we got the Post-it note. Wow, these are so much smaller than what I thought they were. So we got the Post-it notes. I don't even know how close to hold this to the camera. I don't even know if you can see it right now. I did get 4 of these. So here's one of them. Here's another one, all the same. You already seen it. There's another one in there somewhere. And I did get some stickers too. We got kids in the background being super loud right now, just ignore them. But I got another metallic BOGO. Why do I always call it metallic BOGO? You know what I'm talking about, the little scratch off one, and then these 2. But I did get the entire set because I just bought them on eBay, the ones I was missing. And now the heater of the, here's a 4th one. Did I get a 5th one? Oh no. There's a 4th one. Got another Army guy. I think this is only the 3rd Army guy I got. But here is what I thought was super sick. If you've seen a lot of my photos on Instagram, I used to wear all the Carhartt beanies. This kind of looks like it's gonna fit like a Carhartt beanie, so I was hyped on it. I also don't think they do pink too much, and you probably can't even tell from the lighting, but it is a pink beanie. It has a Supreme Old English spell out, and then I don't even know who this was. I'll be straight up with you guys. This is the Ben Davis collab. So yeah, I got that in pink. This is sick. I'm not really a beanie guy, but I'll throw it on real quick for the win. Yeah, I look like a theater thug, bro. Hopefully once it starts getting cold out here, I can start rocking that. But yeah, that is everything I got from Supreme week 3. All right, so the first step, and probably the most crucial step of when we try to find photos, even though we never planned this out, but we're really gonna start trying to do this, is the location. But my phototoxic trait is we both kind of heavily rely on the scenery for the photo, and I'm trying to not really do that. So where like we have our outfit matches the background or it matches something, like we do try to do that a lot, but I'm trying to not rely so heavily on the background, so then we could just take a picture of our fit, and the photos are just gonna be dripping just because of the fit. We don't need the background or anything like that. But I don't know if we're gonna try that today or what we're trying today. But yeah, right now we just kind of parked downtown. We're just walking around. We basically taken every photo you could possibly take here. But yeah, we're just gonna try to find some new stuff, hopefully see something cool. So here we take you on for the ride. Yeah, I think I already said that like twice now, but yeah, let's just try to find somewhere. So we think we found our first location. This is actually a place we've taken photos before, so that's kind of why we pulled up on here. I'm gonna try to switch on over to my phone now so you can see what we're about to do, but yeah, we're just like setting it up. Actually, before we do that though, I'm gonna just show you guys. So here we got Joey, he's gonna be the subject, obviously. Yeah, we found this really nice little ledge. We both thought it was stairs for some reason, but yeah, we found this ledge, so we got him sitting up there. Obviously we're gonna try to focus the most on the shirt for this photo specifically, but as you can see, we got the sun kind of beating down, so I'm gonna probably be like behind here, so like the sun can be beating on him, or I might have to move on over here so the sun's on the opposite side. But yeah, you can just focus on the location, and then yeah, we're gonna try to focus on the shirt. So let me switch on over to the phone. Didn't really think this through, but this is gonna have to be the best angle. You can kind of see Joey. I'm gonna be over here trying to take this picture, but yeah, let's just try to do that. I'm shooting with the Sony. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a 65 or a 63. You sit on this one. I'll get on this side. Hopefully you can still see. I don't know, but yeah, we're running into the problem right now with the light. So we're just gonna kind of like adjust each other. Well, not adjust, but like each switch sides. So Joey's checking them out right now on the on my camera right now, so I can't obviously show you those right now, but I will throw some up on the screen right now if they came out pretty good. But 2 major things that we're running into, which I want to tell you guys about so you can check. So obviously when you upload on Instagram, it kind of crops it, and I always shoot photos vertical. I never do horizontal. I don't think I probably upload like 2 horizontal photos on Instagram ever. I stick to the vertical orientation. So when you are shooting, make sure your subject is kind of centered in the photo. A lot of space above the person and a lot of space below the person. So when it crops on Instagram, it's gonna look better than if it was kind of like stretched out. Like we've run into this issue a few times where we had to kind of like recrop photos. Sometimes it's like really difficult to do depending on how you take it. Hopefully you can see some of the examples with the photos I threw up on the screen. Majority of the time too, we take like a bunch of different photos all in one day. A lot of people think that we do it like every single day, but we kind of like finesse the game because we don't have a lot of time on our hands. So we take like 5 to 10 different photos that we in one single day. So then we can upload those for like the next couple of weeks because like we're very limited on time. And then the same time that we can hang out is very limited too. I kind of segued from where I was at, but like I was saying too, when you are taking pictures, make sure you don't got your pockets full of stuff. We got some cars driving by right now. But make sure you don't have like your pockets full of stuff because we ran into this issue. We wear like really tight pants. Obviously it's like the hypebeast thing to do. When you're wearing tight pants, your stuff's gonna be showing through your legs. So make sure you take everything out of your pockets and you set everything up. That was just a really quick little, not necessarily rant, but kind of tangent of what we're doing. But yeah, let's just get right back into this. So we just found this blue wall that I'm gonna try to take my photo on. And again, these behind the scenes clips probably suck because I gotta do it on my phone. We can't set the phone up anywhere. But we're gonna be trying to take some of these real quick. So we'll fill you in.
You got any dating profile?
Yeah. So we just got done taking 2 photos. I got one and he got one. I wasn't really too thrilled with mine because I'm kind of experimenting with new poses, really, I guess you could say. But I don't really like any of the ones I had chosen, but it's all right. We're gonna roll with some of them. We're gonna go switch to new outfits. And I know I wasn't really going into too much detail about really what we're doing, but I don't really do these types of videos, so I really have no idea what to talk about. So hopefully you guys can also bear with me on that one. We're on our way back to the cars, get a new outfit, come right back out here, and yeah, we'll see what we get next. We just changed fits. I got on the Supreme tee from this season. I don't even know what this was called, but it's from this season. Got the Essential sweats on. These are kind of like the side stripe older ones, but like the newer release. And then we got the second most uncomfortable shoe in history, Fear of God Skylons, with the Stock X tag still on it, which I am like 99% sure they sent me these used, but who really knows. But yeah, we about to walk up to that, basically where we just were, but next to it there was another colored wall. So we got the V-Lone Lover thing. I don't know who makes these pants, but some pants on, and then pink Vans, which hopefully you can see those. So yeah, I don't know what he's doing, but like I said, we're going back to where we were because next to it there was a little bit of a, I don't know why we're going there. We're just gonna go there. So yeah. So here's that second location I was talking about. This is like some coffee shop or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to sit in this chair. This wall is obviously really cool. You know why we picked it. Outfit doesn't really match it. Who really cares though? Because I feel like once I edit this, it's gonna look sick. And yeah, let's get some behind the scenes. So we're about to go try to take this. Do you even see me? Yeah. So we're about to go try to take the picture. Again, the angle kind of sucks, but you get the idea. Yo, I just kind of realized that I was recording the entire time. Awkward. Completely forgot we were recording, so you kind of see some of the behind the scenes shots. I wanted to kind of show off the skyline, so I tried a couple pictures getting close-ups, but yeah, on to the next spot. So we are now on to the third outfit. I didn't film when we just took Joey's photo because it was kind of just like very spontaneous. We were on our way to go somewhere to take it, but on the way there we found a cool photo. It just happened really quick. There was no reason to even, to bring out the camera to try to do all that stuff. But anyways, we're on to probably our last photo of the day. Each of us are gonna get one. We don't know where we're going. We're just walking in the opposite direction now. Got on this Palace shirt that I just got from a couple weeks ago, if you saw my video. And yeah, like I said, we don't really have an idea. I'm hoping we can kind of find something that kind of goes with this. I don't know if we will. Probably kind of limited. And then I don't know what he's got, but fit check again. Got the Bourne shirt, I think is what it's called. And then yeah, we're just gonna focus on the top. We really just kind of switch shirts. These are like the same pants I was wearing. Got the minimal denim. Got the Vans with the pink laces that I put in there myself. And yeah, let's go find something. So I actually got super lucky because I saw my friend in the tattoo shop and we took some photos in there. There's a lot of people in there. Didn't really want to like vlog inside of there, but yeah, we took some photos. I'll throw that one up on the screen right now too. And now I basically got my photo for the Palace shirt. I think it came out good. Didn't really match like I was going for, but like I said, we just do it all randomly, so it came out pretty nice. So now we're gonna try to find one last for Joey and again, bring you guys along. All right, so again, I forgot to bring you guys along because we just randomly found another spot, and we were at this spot probably the shortest amount of time. Less than a minute we took this photo, and we already like it. Okay, it was super loud, so we're trying to redo this outro again. But yes, that is the end of the video. We did just take Joey's last photo, but we kind of just randomly did it. We were on the way somewhere else, but then again, we found a better location. We were there for less than a minute, probably like 30 seconds. We got the photo, we liked it, so we didn't, so I didn't bring you guys along because it was just way too difficult. So I didn't want to bust everything out just to be there for like 30 seconds, so I do apologize about that. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was all over the place, but like all my other videos are kind of all over the place. I had no method to what I was doing. But yeah, like we do, we kind of just pick out the outfits ahead of time and we go to random locations, but it's very rare that we ever have the location and the outfit kind of picked out. We kind of just walk around, really. That's all that we do. And like I said, also, we try to take as many photos as we can in one day just because we're very limited on our time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process of seeing how me and Joey take our photos. Maybe I'll do like a more in-depth video soon, but that kind of was just like a random, all over sporadic video, but I still hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys are into Supreme and things like that, I do got a ton of other Supreme, Palace, FTP videos on my channel. You can check all those out. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.